There, tow trucker back. Looks like we got another one. We're just getting started this morning. And we have a, looks like it's a Mazda Tribute. Somebody's got a, looks like they manufactured some kind of a dealer tag. And it's not legit. You can tell by looking at it. But anyway. That sticker was ripped off of another tag and put on that particular plate. Anyway, it's expired and it's not legit. Right here is the gentleman. This is the gentleman I towed a little bit ago with the fake dealer tag. Anyway, he's actually a pretty nice guy. I'll go, man. Right there. He rode his bike over here. It's about a mile and a half, 2 miles. Got his car back. This manager's asked me to sticker these cars that are parked in the wrong spot. What happened, this manager here, he had a handicapped residence on property that needed spaces. So what he done is he made some more handicapped parking spots like these, and it upset the residents. Some of the residents got mad because he took away a couple of parking places for the handicapped spots, and they started parking wherever they want to. And that's what happens. It's pretty common. So we just stickered those 3, and I got to take photographs of them, and we come back through here. If either one of any of these cars are parked in this spot, then they'll get yanked next time. That's how this business works. They get one chance, next time they get towed. Anyway, I'm gonna roll out. Guy on this motorcycle, he just whistled at me. He's coming out here. I'm gonna see what he's got to say about this bike and this wrecked car. Some kind of auction buyer. These are both auction. That's the auction number there, and these are auction numbers here. Of course, this is the front end. It's gonna come down here, I think. Let's see, he just whistled at me. We'll see what he's got to say.
Hey, how you doing?
What's going on, man?
I have the permits, the office.
All you got to do is talk to. You got permission from the office?
Yes.
He didn't mark it on the list, man. You got a wrecked car?
Tengo permiso del condominio para tener la moto un par de días por problemas con el título.
Who's this?
Huh?
Is that you or who is this?
Yeah. This is the problem. The tires. Yeah. And the tracking, the number tracking is come back.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah. Just keep. I'm telling you this, man. This guy up here. I'll be honest with you. This guy here. He don't play around, man. He tows. Just keep in touch with him. I'm not gonna try to load it in the rain. That's okay. That's okay. I'm not gonna try. That's okay. I'm not going to try to load it. It's raining. You're telling me you talk to the officer. That's bueno. You speak Spanish? Or?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. If you talk to him, as long as you communicate with him, you're probably okay. But if he tows, he don't play around. You have to comply.
Okay.
I just know he's very strict on, because he wants it to be nice. Just make sure you communicate. You understand? Just make sure you communicate with him. I mean, I'm not going to try to load it right now. I don't want to scratch the car up. I'm not going to try to load it, but keep in mind, just hey, you make communication with the office and you're good. Yeah, just talk to him. Just talk to him. Hey, right now it's okay. So I'm not going to tow it. It's probably okay. They say you say you talk to him. That's probably fine.
Oh.
Just keep communicate talk with him.
Okay.
Thank you, man. Have a good one, sir. This manager where he lives at, this guy don't play around about vehicles and junk on the property. That's a junk bike. The car is a junk car, and the manager, he won't put up with it very long here. So he's probably got till next month, and it'll get towed. And that's just the way it works on this property here. Anyway, I'm gonna roll to my next property. When did you talk to them? On this one?
Both of them.
Yeah. They didn't notate my list. They didn't notate their list. Especially this right here. It's been sitting here for months. Is that one run?
Yeah, they're both my cars.
I suggest you take that one up there to talk to them.
Okay.
I'm not going to take that one. I'm not hooked to it, but this one I'm hooked in, so I got to take it.
Okay. How much is it going to be?
It's $100. I mean, I can leave it on property, but I don't know if it runs or not. Does it run?
It doesn't, but it's my mother's car. She's out of the country, and I was going to have. I talked to the office. I told them I would take it to have it towed to a friend's house until she comes back.
Yeah. Yeah. I guess you could. I mean, I guess you could pay it out if the property is okay with you having it here. Like I said, they got so many cars on property that they're trying to clean it up. That's all.
I understand that. I called them yesterday. I contacted the vice president of the management company, and she contacted the.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just told what's on. I got a list, and it wasn't notated to not tow.
Yeah.
At least you don't have two on the hook. You know, at least you were here and you were able to come out and not get the other one towed.
Yeah.
Because it would have cost you a lot more then. Right now, if you want to pay it out on property, it's $100.
I don't know this right now.
Okay.
How much is it going to be?
It's $175 on property. It's a lot.
I mean, is there anything I can do? Like if I call the office,
So right now it's on the hook. I mean, it's on the truck. There's really nothing that they can do right now on this car, because it's already on the truck and hook, unless you can take it out. And I'm sorry, that's just what I do. I don't think that I ain't trying to be mean to you.
I understand. I know you have to do your job. Is there anybody can pay it later? I mean, I just really can't afford $175.
You can't. You have to pay it the $100 right now. You can pay it on the card. We do accept cards. if you want to pay it on card, we're not, that's the only thing, you know, we're legitimate and we try to be professional. But if you want to pay the card, you can do that. Change, then, yeah.
What, well, I guess the thing is McCullough Tower.
Yeah, I can give you that. Our signs are all posted on the property, but I can give you an address if you want.
Okay.
Would you like the address?
Yeah, well,
okay.
just
Yeah,
tell me the
look.
street it's on.
Okay.
I'll bring it up.
Anyway, those kids come by on their bikes and they almost ran into me on their bikes, which is that's kind of normal. They know that their parents and the people that live in on this property, they don't particularly like the tow guys, so they come over and drove by me and almost hit me with their bicycles. But I ain't mad at them. They're just doing what they think they're supposed to do. Anyway, we're going to sign these two out and get them to the office. Anyway, I want to show everybody why how this VIN number don't match. And let me show you the VIN number on this tag. Those two numbers don't match, so that tag on that on the 4Runner here, it don't go to this car. Somebody got that off another vehicle and tried to pass it off as a tag. I wouldn't be surprised if they're not driving it like that. But anyway, guess they'll come back to the yard and come back and get their tag and come back and get their car, and they have to put a tag on it.